This is our group's mission for the AI for Good hackathon, ProPosture, which is an application that regulates and checks your posture via video tracking in real time. We're going to first start off moving straight to the calibration page. You start off in the dashboard, but calibration is the first step in the process. This is where it captures your baseline for your posture, so try to fit into good, stable posture, upright, shoulders level, head straight. It'll first need to get about 80% stability before it captures the baseline, and it'll tell you whether or not it's good. You can accept it, and then it will take you back to the dashboard page, but this is where you can actually go and choose the voice agent that you want. We have a built-in standard text-to-speech model if you are fine with that.
This is how I'll sound when I coach you.
This is how I'll sound when I coach you.
Alternatively, if you'd like, you can create a custom voice model. You can do it either via text description, enter as much as little as you'd like. Gemini will automatically go through and optimize the prompt as much as possible.
I am watching your every move. Straighten that spine immediately. You pathetic weakling, if you wish to survive my regime with any shred of dignity left intact.
Or alternatively, if you have a voice file that you would like to clone, you can submit a voice file and it will create a model based on that.
I am monitoring your alignment. Do not succumb to the weakness of a slumping spine. Maintain your posture or suffer the consequences of your failure.
Moving down in the settings, we're at the posture settings, where there's two different specifications. There's alert timing and sensitivity. For alert timing, it gives users more customizability over both how quickly they want to be alerted when their posture is bad, and also how frequently they want to be alerted. So bad posture time at 5 seconds. If your posture is bad for 5 seconds, it'll alert you after that. And then for cooldown, it has at least a minimum 15-second cooldown between alerts. And for sensitivity, this allows users to have more customizability they can focus more on what they want to improve, whether it's your nose and shoulder posture or your shoulder height posture. We also have UI settings, which lets the user customize either a dark or light theme. We also have a class UI, and also lets the user start the application on startup. And alternatively, if they have multiple cameras, they can choose which camera they would like to use. There's also some system settings, which just let the user reset settings to default, or if they need to recalibrate their baseline, depending on if they messed it up or not. Or you can also just delete the calibration profile altogether. Moving back to the dashboard, we now have to generate the entire voice model. Previously in the settings, we only generated one line for optimization reasons, but now that we have solidified that we want this voice, we have to generate the entire model for the coaching process. We can now also, as we've calibrated it and selected a voice model, we now test the app. We can test with a variety of positions, good posture, lowering our heads, leaning side to side. And then it will, based on our specifications and setting, it will alert via voice, in this case Darth Vader, of whether or not our posture is good or not.
Your slouching is pathetic. Lift your head higher, for the Empire demands a more commanding presence than that which you currently display before me. Lift your chest and pull your shoulders back. You must project strength to serve the dark side. Do not let your resolve falter now.
Thank you for tuning in to our demo for ProPosture.